loves, and welcome back to my channel. If you're new to my channel and you've not subscribed, darling, what are you waiting for? Subscribe down below, like this video, and make sure you turn on your notification bell so you'd always get notified anytime I upload a new video. So on today's video, I will be reviewing a particular lightning body lotion, which is fantastic. Like, it is one of my best quick action lightning body cream. If you want to get this quick, fantastic super lightning, so keep watching and don't forget to watch till the end. So guys, the White Now Lightening Body Lotion is one of my very best lightning body lotions. It is quick, it is affordable, and it's something, if you don't want to go for the luxury skincare line, the White Now Lightening Body Lotion will serve you right. Like, it will give you what you really want. So I have below are my notes and points I want to target on this video. So in case I keep looking down, I want you to know that I'm looking at my notes because I want to give you guys the best in this review. I want to go straight to the point, and I hope this video doesn't get that long because there's so much that I need to talk about, but I'm going to make it brief. Consistency is beautiful, is thick. Unfortunately, I don't have my bottle here. The one I had, I gave it out to a friend who really needed something to fix up an issue she has currently going on her skin. So yeah, it whitens in 3 days and it contains fruity acids just like the Pigment Dough. If you haven't watched my review on the Pigment Dough, if you haven't watched my video on Pigment Dough, I'll link it down below so you can actually get to watch. And it contains fruity acid and the color is yellowish. The bottle is white. I think I'm going to insert a picture. Up here somewhere. So the White Now body lotion is white. The bottle is white, but the content is thick and it is yellowish in color, and it hydrates and nourishes the skin. So this product hydrates the skin perfectly. It nourishes your skin beautifully. And one thing I like about the product is that it doesn't dry the skin. So this product, it got tested by my friend who is a skincare therapist, and we both ran a discovery research on it, and we found out that most Cameroon products, I think this product comes from Cameroon or either Ivory Coast, but I think Cameroon. Most of these products are highly acidic, but fortunately for us, White Now body lotion is not acidic in any way. So, and one more thing, it is not good for sensitive skin because if you overuse some products when overused could make your skin could react in many ways you may not like. And I suggest that if you have a sensitive skin, you should minimize the way you use this. But let's keep going down to the other important things. It gives a yellow undertone. If you want, am I on the yellow undertone? I think I am, maybe. It gives a yellow undertone. It doesn't give you this. It says white now, but it's not going to make you white like a white lady. It's going to give you that sweet African yellow undertone that makes you, oh, she's light skinned, oh, she's flawlessly on the yellow undertone. You know what I mean. I think I would insert a picture to make you guys understand better the type of complexion the cream is going to give you. If you're light skin and you have a yellow undertone, this product is going to make that color stand out and make it more pronounced. Like, if you step into a particular place, they are going to know you just arrived, you're there. That is how this White Now lotion works, and that is how it is. So it glows the skin. Like I said, if you come into a particular place, everybody will notice you because it glows your skin. It gives you this very nice glow on your skin. I would suggest, before you start using this product, I suggest you exfoliate your skin. On my next video, have I made a video? No, I'll be making a video soon on the type of scrubs, the differences between salt scrub and sugar scrub. So if you wouldn't want to miss that video and you have not subscribed, sweetheart, subscribe and turn on the notification bell close to the subscription button below. So let's dive right into the most important parts of this product that I want to share with you guys. So if you're on White Now Lightening Body Lotion, I suggest, especially if you have a dry skin, I suggest you add in essential oils to the product. And one more thing, the White Now lotion has an oil, and that oil is used for activation. If you want a quick effect Like if you want the product to work faster on your skin, you need to apply the oil, and it depends on really use all of the oil in the bottle. I think I'm going to insert a picture of the bottle up here. You may not really use all of it, but you just need to add a part. Maybe share the cream, the lotion into two. You get a container, you pour in the cream, and then you add your oil. Maybe I don't know how to make you guys okay, let me use this. This is one of my essential oils. It's the almond oil, as you guys can see. So I'm going to talk about this oil in this video, but I'm just raising it up here to give an example. So if this is the White Now oil is necessary, especially if you want to activate it, if you want to have this quick lightening effect. So I suggest you use half of the oil and half of the lotion. Like you pour in your lotion in a container, a nice container, and then you add half of the oil in it and then use for a particular period of time. You don't need to use all of the oil in one of the 500, I think it comes in the 500 ml bottle. You don't need to use all of the oil inside your 500 ml bottle. I suggest you do that so as to, watch how it works, observe and record your results while on the product. I was going to talk about this oil. This is my almond oil. You can get any brand of almond oil as long as you're sure it's 100% almond oil. You need to add this oil or any essential oil of your choice. My skin loves almond oil. Almond oil is very moisturizing and it's very good for the skin. So this is 100% pure almond oil from the brand Rashun. You can get any brand of your choice. If you're having stretch mark, this oil now it comes down. I'm talking about stretch marks now. If you're on this, because this product may give you stretch marks, it may give you stretch marks. If you don't know how to use it, it may give you stretch marks. And then also, depending on your skin type, it may give you stretch marks. So if you want to avoid stretch marks while on this product, you have to make use of your essential oil. You have to add your essential oil in the product, in your mixture, in your cream. And once you do this, I'm sure the stretch marks will be minimized or may not even occur at all. So this is a control method for stretch marks while using this product. So hopefully, I believe it will work for you too. When it comes to the White Now lotion, it has a tendency to whiten you up 3 to 4 shades depending on how you use it. It can do that. It can give you a 3 to 4 shades whiter or lighter effect on your skin. If you're on White Now Lightening Body Lotion, and you are not using it with sense, it has a tendency of giving you green veins. So sweetheart, definitely watch how you use the product and be careful while using the product. So I also suggest that if you've gotten to your particular shade, there's a reason why you got a particular product in the first place. Some people use products as maintenance cream. Some people use products to get a particular shade or to lighten up. I don't know, whatever your reasons may be, sweetheart. I suggest that when you've gotten your particular shade, you stop using this product. If you've gotten really light, I suggest you stop using this product and switch over to your maintenance cream. You don't have to use this product and go under the sun. Lightening products, especially this type of products, should not be used under the sun. You can't apply this product and expect the sun to really appreciate your skin. No, the sun is going to damage your skin. So if you're using this product, try as much as possible to avoid going under the sun too often. Try using this cream in the night, especially if you've gotten to your particular shade. You should try using this product in the night and see how it works for you. Then during the day, you can try your maintenance cream. It could be your body butter. As long as, make sure you're not using any other whitening or lightening oil or cream. Just go on the maintenance. There are base creams out there that are not harsh or harmful, or that will not give you a lightening effect. They will just maintain your color. So if you've gotten to your particular shade, definitely maintain your complexion by using a base cream or a body butter that is not harmful, that can maintain your skin. That is my suggestion. I suggest you do that and see how it works. So one more thing, if you're using any whitening or lightening body lotion, just like White Now, I suggest you try to abstain or avoid lightening soaps. You don't need a lightening soap. You need a soap that will moisturize your skin and would maintain your skin. Soaps like African black soap like Dudu Lotion works for me. This is based on what works for me. I don't know about you. You can be on your cream, your maintenance cream, or your body butter, and then a less whitening soap, a soap that not a whitening soap at all, because you don't want to dry out your skin. While you're lightening your skin, you also need to be rebuilding your skin as well. There should be periods of slow down and high like there should be a period of pausing and continuation. You don't have to keep on doing it because you may damage your skin while you're trying to make it perfect. That is just the truth. And I am all about giving you guys the truths about products. I am not going to come here and add sugar and salt to it. I'm going to try as much as based on my own personal experience, and I'm here with a good heart trying to explain to you guys the pros and the cons of certain products and how good they are. If you're looking for a product that whitens and lightens your skin, White Now Lotion is there, 500 ml. It's perfect. Most skin therapists and beauticians that are very fantastic in premixing, they use this product also. So give it a try if you want to lighten your skin and hopefully see how it works. So if you're interested on more content or more videos like this that will give you an information, make you understand certain products before you go purchasing or buying it, definitely like this video, subscribe to my channel, and turn on the notification button so as to get notified when next I upload a video. If you've tried this product before and it gave you and it worked well for you, hit me on my comment section. I would like to know how it worked for you and how you used it. And if you want me to make more reviews on products and a whole lot more concerning beauty, definitely hit me down my comment section. Let me know what next to do and let me know how to serve you better. And make sure you keep comments respectful and not offensive. So I'll see you guys on my next video. And thank you so much for being with me. Thank you. I love you. I love you so much. So I'll see you guys on my next video, and bye-bye.